Hey everyone, it's going to be a very short session, but hopefully a useful one. So, as a lot of you might know, the crucial information on app campaigns is scattered across various different places in Google Ads UI, making it hard to get in insights. Thank you. Uh, into certain campaigns and assets performance. That's why we have App Reporting Pack here. App Reporting Pack fetches all the necessary data from Google Ads UI and creates a centralized dashboard that shows you different aspects of app campaigns, performance, and settings. I just have to say that this is not an officially supported Google product. It's an open source solution available on GitHub. So any one of you can use it for free and modify it to your own needs. Today we have Łukasz here from Reality Games. Łukasz is a VP of growth, and he has been using this tool for a while now. And today he will tell you why he likes it and how he personally uses it. Łukasz?
Thank you very much, Vlad. I'm very happy to be here and get this opportunity to talk to you. And today I will talk about the UAC Reporting Pack that, thanks to Vlad and his team, we received from some time, but from now on, everyone can use it, and it's open source. So why do I like it? I like it for the main reason that it can visualize all the data that comes from your Google Ads. Probably if you use Google Ads very often, you have to check a lot of information, and it's sometimes painful to find it. With all those graphs here and all those tables, you can very easily check all the data, compare it, export it, and so on. So, what is the main feature? The main feature here is that you can check the quality and performance of your campaigns and all the assets. We have here like hygiene of your assets, of your campaigns. The system also tells you what are the best settings. Then we have performance analysis of your campaigns. You have creatives analysis and assets reporting, which is more detailed analysis of all your creatives. And I will try to very shortly explain few of them, few of my favorite features. So for those who are familiar with the Data Studio, it will be very, very easy to use it. For those who didn't use Data Studio, now it's called Looker. For those who didn't have experience using it, it's super easy to learn. And what can we do? We can select the dates, and we can also select a lot of different features. Here I selected few campaigns. I want to compare and check, and I can check the performance analysis of those campaigns. Here we can see if you are working with other people on the same account. You can see whether the person did any changes, or if you can't remember when you did changes, you can very simply check it, because as we know, changes on Google Ads, we should not do it too often, because it can negatively affect the algorithm. So the next thing I would like to show you is that you can check actually the video bucket distribution, and for us we can see that 30 seconds. Is there a pointer? Okay, so you can see here are 15 seconds videos and 30 seconds videos, and I can see that in our case 30-second videos perform much better. They are more often displayed on YouTube, and at the same time bring more installs. Here on the left side, you can see that video orientation for us in terms of portrait. Yes, it's better to have a portrait video for 15-second video than others. Yes, we have more installs for the portrait video with 15-second video. And now I would like to show you the real use of this asset reporting, how it's very useful for me. We can look at the here at the asset performance, and you can very easily export it to the Google Sheets. And after you have it exported, you can compare all kind of installs, in-apps, what is the cost of it, all the impressions, or all the conversions and CDR and so on. I selected here all the headlines, as you can see in the column B. And now, for those who are familiar with Google Ads, probably you've seen very often this information, that to improve performance, try editing this headline. So usually what would you do? You probably would delete it and write new one. But you can double check it. Thanks to this tool, you can, yes, so you can see that your city in a mobile game brought us actually 628 in-apps. And what would you do now? Yeah, definitely you would keep it. I would keep it. So that's it. If you have any other questions, you can catch me later. And thank you very much. Vlad, it's your turn.
Thanks, Łukasz. So now you might be asking, how can I create one for myself, which I hope you are. So as I have already mentioned, it's an open source solution, meaning you can get all the files like the code and the installation instructions on GitHub. So there are two installation methods here. The primary one on Google Cloud, and you can also install it on premises. When it comes to the primary method, it's the easiest one because it basically does most of the hard work for you. It creates all of the necessary GCP infrastructure. It pulls all of the data from your Google Ads account into BigQuery tables, and then it creates a dashboard based on template. And all you need to do is just click this Run on Google Cloud button on the GitHub page and provide it with all the necessary information like your client ID, your Google Cloud project, and MCC ID, and so on. And a few moments later, you will have the dashboard ready. You can obviously also install it locally. However, this method requires more time, more advanced technical skills, and yeah, that's basically it. So just to summarize, as an output, you have this dashboard, app reporting, Looker Studio dashboard, just like Łukasz has showed you, and a set of BigQuery tables. You can later use this data from BigQuery tables to populate your own existing dashboards, or maybe for some ad hoc quick analysis. So the last but not least, the link to the solution and the QR code. So I highly encourage you to save it to your bookmarks. Thank you.
Super.